Hey guys, how you doing? It's the Honeydew Carpenter, and the always beautiful Mrs. Honeydew Carpenter is right behind the camera. I've been putting some sheeting on the house today, but this particular video is all about logistics and how we built this house in cycles. We had to put up one bearing wall and a little bit of floor, just logistically because of the crane that I was using to crane the trusses up. We had to do that, and on top of that, we're off grid. We do have a septic system and the plumbing going out of that. That gray tent is our bathroom, and so I'm basically building the house around our bathroom tent. Hey Clyde, how you doing, buddy? But
Hey.
Oh, okay, dog bumped the camera. Anyways.
Ouch.
I think you're going to really enjoy this video. The whole family got involved. Just because I'm building this out of salvage materials and whatnot, there was really no manufactured or engineered truss package that would work. So I just kind of had to engineer my own and build my own trusses. And it's been an adventure, so stay tuned. All right, Mrs. Honeydew. Cut one. Maybe just a little bit full.